Once you have downloaded the Home Energy Score app from the Apple App Store, simply open on your iOS device. If you are currently enrolled with ID Energy's Fast Track Training or Desktop QA, you can log into the app and begin using it for free with your existing username and password for paperlessinspectors.com. If you are not currently enrolled with ID Energy, you will need to create a new account. To do this, tap Create Now, and the Create Profile page will open. If your company has an existing account with ID Energy, simply select the existing company. If the company does not have an existing account with ID Energy, simply add the company's name. Continue to fill out all sections of the Create Profile form. Lastly, enter your Department of Energy Assessor ID and DOE Assessor password. This is the login information from your DOE labworks.org portal account you created once completed with the SIM online training. Before you are able to submit scores with the app, you'll need to have this information in your profile. Once you are completed with all the required information needed, tap Submit to create the account. Once the account is created, please be sure to have purchased your app and software user subscription from EnergyScoreUSA.com. Please allow up to 24 hours from creating your profile and submitting payment for the app user subscription for your account to be verified and activated. You will receive an immediate notification once your account has been activated by an ID Energy representative. Then, you can immediately begin using the app to generate your home energy scores.